Hey guys, in this video we are going to look how to draw this beautiful cricketer sunset scenery in a Procreate. If you like this video then please hit the subscribe button. If you did, then grab your iPad and iPencil and let's watch the video. Step 1. Select soft brush and select color palette from video description. Now select light yellow color from color palette and draw some line. Then select another color and draw another line. Go from light to dark colors, which create sunset effect. Step 2. Go to the adjustment menu and select Gaussian blur and select layers. Now drag your Apple Pencil to the right until you get this effect. All your color get merged with each other with this effect. Step 3. Make a new layer and select black color. And from brush, select monoline brush. Now draw your ground. Now fill your ground with a black color. Step 4. Select any tree brush from your brush section and draw some trees over your ground. Step 5. Make a new layer and select monoline brush. Now draw electricity line over your ground. Now draw electricity line with a technical pen brush. Step 6. Select any tree from your tree brushes. Now place it on your ground. Resize it according to your canvas size. Now place your tree above your ground layer. Step 7. Go to unsplash.com and search cricket. Now select any batsman image from unsplash.com and download that image into your iPad. Now import that image from your gallery to Procreate app. Now resize it. Now select monoline brush and select dark black color. Now zoom in your image and draw outline over your batsman. After drawing outline, fill that outline with a black color. Now hide that image which you downloaded and place your batsman and resize it according to your background. Now draw a circle using monoline brush and hold your right finger above your screen to make perfect circle. Now fill that circle with a black color. After that, make a new layer and draw stumps using monoline brush. Step 8. Make a new layer and select white color. Now using star stamp brush, draw some star over your horizon. Step 9. Using a bird stamp brush, make a bird and resize it according to your canvas size. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please like the video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Also share this video with your family and friends. Thank you.